Is that as high as the hood goes up? Really? That's hilarious. Yeah, pretty much. I guess those aftermarket hinges don't really have full adjustment or full... Flathead 8, I'm not sure what the cubic inches are, it's like under 300. Couple hundred horsepower, 250 I think, maybe 300. Sounds awesome. I like the wheels. Standard seat. Nice. Just simple but nice.
Want to roll that window down, buddy?
Sure.
I'm gonna have her down for when we're out cruising for sure tonight. Yeah, I'll pull her over to the other side of the shop and we'll do the tires.
Sounds good.
Tires checked out.
Crash. Still cold and old gas. Runs nicer. Well, runs nice. It's just cold. Hey, boop. Hey, boop. Hey, bear. Just gonna do some air pressure on the tires and that kind of thing, just so he's safe on the trip home. Battery's definitely up good, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can do that when you get her home.
You want a duster?
There we go. Light's a little better. It's a nice paint job. The truck's really straight. Really straight. It's pretty good everywhere, right? Right underneath. It's restored like new. It's just new. You can see that sparkle on the phone or not? Sure is a nice sparkle. Oh, you can, it's sparkly, real nice and sparkly, but I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not.
Okay,
it's hard to tell. Probably see it when I can actually see the screen better. No, it looks pretty good on this side, I think. Got it dusty in my shop with the cover on it.
Not bad, not too bad.
I think when you came...
It wasn't the cleanest when it got dropped off either.
No, it wasn't spotless.
I know that. Yeah, it was.
Yeah, I haven't even looked at the wood yet.
You got
I'm not very good with the camera.
bro?
Got what? Yeah.
Tire gauge?
Yeah. Somewhere I got a tire gauge. Let's see. Be in the big drawer right in the middle of the toolbox there. Nope, down. Might be in my van because.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Right
Here
here.
we go. They're right here, a whole bunch of them. Oh yeah? Haven't seen that before. That looks cool.
It's got the little release and everything on there.
There we go.
Works better than them other ones.
Right?
Yep. A little bit of custom on that.
Oh, look at that, man.
The rear bumper. Yeah. Yeah, they should be good. Are you gonna pop that hood up again there, buddy?
Yeah, you bet.
See if we can see the motor in the sunlight. Oh yeah, she's got to pull ahead, eh? A little bit.
Yeah, to get that.
Yeah. Twin carbs. Yeah, 2 carbs. I guess all the pulleys in that are, is that all like stock or what?
No.
Oh no, I see the lower has been changed.
Right, you're sagging off GM pump, right?
Yeah, right. Little upgrade on some of the components, the steering pump and the alternator. It's just your average GM, well not average, it's probably 100 amp or whatever. And yeah, it's sagging off power steering pump. It does still remain with the original old oil filter housing back there. Polished up chrome. Pretty nice. What'd you do with the ignition? You got Petronics or something in there?
So that
It's
is
upgraded to HEI, isn't it?
MSD, and it's a
Yeah.
drop and go for
Yeah.
49 to 53
Yeah. it's-
flatheads.
Oh, the whole distributor.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
made for that.
Yeah. But it is an HEI in the small body. Yeah. Fits anyway. Fits nice. And he's got wrapped headers and everything on there. And he's got a 5-speed, what do you call the transmission?
It's got the 5-speed, what do you call it? The Mustang transmission.
Yeah, what do you call
What
that?
is it called again?
I don't remember what that's called. Just looks like the standard shifter. What do you got? Oh, that's the 8-ball.
Turn your compressor
Oh,
on.
the 8-ball. It's on.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on. Real nice truck. Could eat off of the floor for sure. I wouldn't have a problem with that. Might need a little sweep up first. What's that, buddy? Oh, maybe the valve got turned off? I don't know. Should be on. I was just using it earlier. I blew the tire for the quad up earlier. Here, let's give it a roll. Yeah, I still haven't looked at the floor. Box. It's very nice. Nice floor. Finished nice. Everything. It's got the hidden latches on the tailgate. Got no chains and hooks there anymore. The inside there. Can't see it in here, I think. There it is.
side bang.
Can't get her, buddy? Got no air? No? Okay, let's see why. Still with this R angle. Sounds like it's taking air. How much do you want to go up?
I've been just trying to go up just a couple pounds. Don't go up at all. It's going down.
What are you on?
31.
And you went up to 34?
35.
Yeah, it doesn't really sound like
No.
it's... Wow, that's got that. Okay.
Usually
Well,
here.
we're gonna air up some tires, and then maybe we'll do a departure. Okay, ain't tough. Okay, now we can get some air. As you can hear the compressor pounding away in the background. Was not turned on. Yeah, I like this 53 style truck is got it done. Oh, similar like they would have done them maybe in the late 50s or 60s. Anyway, she's a beauty. And well, thank everybody for hanging out for a few minutes and checking it out with me. And have a good weekend, what's left. And please share, like, and subscribe. Thanks everybody.